Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Proformance Unlimited Custom Crate Engines. This happens to be an example of one of our 383 Chevy Strokers. This gentleman happened to choose some really nice stuff. These are polished heads on here, polished Chevy valve covers, polished chrome serpentine kit, polished manifold, polished sniper on here, nice black distributor with black wires, polished wire looms. Gorgeous, gorgeous motor. It's another example of what happens when we custom build something. These ain't engines off the shelf. Call us up, got something in mind, we'll design it, put it together for you, and then build it and dyno test it right in front of you and build it through pictures. Gets any better than that. Man, that's a fantastic way to get an engine, knowing you're getting it the way you want it. So again, here at Proformance Unlimited, it's custom building engines each and every day. And remember, if you're interested in one of our LS engines, visit lsenginekings.com. Thank you. Our batteries are giving us a little trouble this morning. All right. It'll come right back down. There we go. 477 and just under 500 torque. 492. Nice. Very